Rustic Retreats, crafting your own wood and garden oases. Imagine stepping into a serene escape where the scent of fresh wood and blooming flowers surrounds you. Join us as we explore Rustic Retreats, wood and garden design, ideal for those yearning to merge simplicity and nature into their living spaces. The rustic style captivates with its organic beauty. Wooden elements with their textured grains and rich tones create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Combine these with garden designs that capture nature's splendor, and you create a tranquil haven right at home. This blend embodies both peace and elegance. Begin small with wooden planters or a simple bench. Choose reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly touch, adding history and character to your designs. As you craft, feel the satisfaction of creating something both beautiful and functional. Each piece, unique in its imperfections, tells a story of its own. Envision your garden as a living canvas, waiting to be painted with colors and textures. Incorporate natural features like stones and water elements to enhance the rustic ambience. Select plants that thrive in your climate, ensuring vibrant blooms and lush greenery year-round. This creates a picturesque, low-maintenance retreat. Blurring the lines between woodwork and garden, consider features like pergolas or trellises draped in climbing vines. The intertwining of living plants and wooden structures speaks to the heart of rustic design. This synergy breathes life into your space, offering both shade and beauty, encouraging moments of quiet reflection. Personalize your retreat with handcrafted accessories. Think birdhouses, wind chimes, or rustic lanterns. These small yet impactful details infuse your space with your personality. Admire how these thoughtful additions add depth and character. Sustaining beauty requires love and care. Regularly oil wooden surfaces to preserve their rich hues and protect them from the elements. Choose plants suited for your environment, optimizing growth with minimal effort. By nurturing your retreat, it remains a refuge of peace and inspiration. Take a moment to bask in the serenity of your creation. Return to your retreat whenever you seek solace or inspiration. Let the harmonious blend of wood and greenery soothe your mind and rejuvenate your spirit. A well-crafted space, it becomes an extension of your home's warmth and comfort. As we conclude this peaceful journey through rustic retreats, I invite you to create your own oasis. Dive into woodwork, embrace gardening, and watch magic unfold in simplicity. Thank you for joining us. If this inspired you, please like and subscribe for more enchanting design insights.